It is not about the money, it is about that you like your job, that you like what you're doing, and if you love what you're doing, you will become very, very good at it, and most of the time, that will also come with more money.
This is Niklas Christl, a young online entrepreneur that currently makes over $20,000 per month, combining all his main online income streams. If you want to better understand who Niklas Christl is and how he makes this amount of money using only the internet, watch this video until the end. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how he makes money and how you can copy him and become a successful online entrepreneur with several income streams. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to learn more about how to make money online. Also, if you want to speed up your success and achieve financial independence, check out the first link in the description below. Who is Niklas Christl? Niklas Christl is an online entrepreneur, and his main activity is being a YouTube content creator. With this activity, he developed 4 income streams, which now allow him to make over $27,000 per month, and all of that just using the internet. But Niklas's life was never as easy as it may seem. He tried several businesses, and all of them failed before he could achieve success. It was only in his last idea that he started to make real money. And that idea was to work as a YouTube content creator, telling stories to inspire other people and teaching about filmmaking. Today, he is one of the most successful YouTubers and entrepreneurs in this niche. Niklas is a truly inspiring case for all those who want to start an online business and make money from home. So let's see how he managed to develop those 4 income streams and how we can copy him. For that, we are going to analyze all his income streams from the smallest to the biggest. But before we start, just a reminder. Revenue does not equal profit. Of course, he has expenditures to run his business. But what makes online businesses extremely interesting is their high margin profit that can reach 80% margins or more. So let's start. Income 1. Niklas's first income stream is from affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's an advertising model where affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies or other persons. Basically, this is how it works. Niklas signs up in affiliate programs of companies or products that he likes or trusts. After that, he uses his YouTube videos to promote those companies and products. With that, he earns commissions on every lead or sale that he is responsible for. This type of recommendation and business model is very good for him and his audience because through his affiliate links, new customers can get discounts or free trials. According to the latest available numbers, affiliate marketing accounts for 9% of Niklas's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $2,500 per month, considering a $27,000 total revenue. Niklas loves affiliate marketing because it's a very simple business model and a nice side income for basically just keeping links in his video descriptions. In addition, he emphasizes he only promotes companies that he uses their products in his day-to-day activities. For example, one of these companies he promotes is a music licensing platform where you pay for a subscription and therefore get access to a very large royalty-free music library, and also a sound effects library. It is perfect for content creators, especially YouTubers. So affiliate marketing is his income stream number 1. Income 2. Niklas's second income stream is from digital product sales. He created an online store where he sells editing digital products like presets, LUTs, animated film frames, and text motion graphics. Those products are a variety of editing assets that help anyone who is editing videos. The beautiful thing about digital products is you put the work in to create it on the front end, and then you don't have to do any more work in order to keep seeing more sales. It's a truly passive income. According to the latest available numbers, digital product sales accounts for 15% of Niklas's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $4,000 per month, considering a $27,000 total revenue. In his best month, when he launched his store, Niklas was able to make almost $20,000 from these digital product sales. Now he is planning to develop other digital products for people interested in video editing, like an editing course. So digital product sales are his income stream number 2. Income 3. Niklas's third income stream is from Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a tool developed by Google that allows content creators to place advertising from third-party companies on their YouTube channel or website. In Niklas's case, by joining the YouTube Partner Program, he uses Google AdSense placing ads on his YouTube videos. For those who don't know, YouTube monetization works through Google AdSense, and this is the process. When a company advertises its brand, products, or services through YouTube, AdSense places the ad on the registered YouTube video, and for each click or view made by the followers on the posted content, Google transfers a percentage of the ad spending to the content creator account. In order to participate in the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. As Niklas makes both conditions and has the YouTube monetization activated, he makes money from YouTube ads. Today, Niklas's channel has over 950,000 subscribers. According to the latest available numbers, Google AdSense accounts for 21% of Niklas's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $5,500 per month, considering a $27,000 total revenue. Today, we can actually say that Niklas is a full-time YouTuber. All his income streams are attached to YouTube as a professional content creator. It's thanks to YouTube that Niklas is able to make sponsorships and promote his own products and other products as an affiliate. So Google AdSense from YouTube Ads is his income stream number 3. Income 4. Niklas's fourth income stream is from sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators are very familiar with this type of income because brand deals or sponsorships are very common for those who have an audience. Mainstream advertising has shifted from the ads that used to be paid to media companies and their TV shows to now being paid to content creators on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Nowadays, brands are increasingly spending more of their advertising budgets with content creators. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay influencers and content creators to promote their products or services to a certain audience. According to Forbes and social backers, micro-influencers have over a 20% higher conversion rate that can help brands boost their e-commerce sales. Therefore, despite their small followings, brands can extract incredible sales value from working with micro-influencers. In Niklas's case, he does these sponsorships on his YouTube channel. According to the latest available numbers, brand deals accounts for 55% of Niklas's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $15,000 per month, considering a $27,000 total revenue. In his YouTube videos, Niklas reveals that he only recommends products or services that he uses, and he thinks they can add a lot of value to his followers. So brand deals and sponsorships are his income stream number 4. Niklas's history teaches us that today, anyone can start an online business, and with the right information and knowledge, achieve financial freedom by making money online. A life lesson we can learn from Niklas is what he constantly says.
This is like the mindset that I'm trying to live by each day when it comes to work. Stick to what you are really passionate about and what you want to do for yourself.
Well, now that you know more about how Niklas Christl makes over $27,000 per month, don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about successful online entrepreneurs. Hopefully the next video can be about you. Finally, don't forget to check the first link in the description below if you want to change your life using the internet. We will see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.